My name is Connor Lind. I'm the Vice President of Operations at NewIns Insurance Holdings. We operate 75 non-standard auto insurance locations in retail environments throughout 5 states spread out across the country. The main pain points that we really had were first being voice clarity issues. We would have agents trying to sell policies over the phone, service customers, and we would have these voice clarity issues where the person they were speaking with either sounded underwater, they couldn't hear our agents on the phone, or our agents couldn't hear those customers. Those are huge problems for us because it impacts our serviceability to our clients and also just our ability to conduct business. So RAM, obviously being its own company, understands the business side of running a company. In terms of how our business has changed since we integrated onto the MPLS network, we 6 months ago when we had a store that would go down, we'd get an email from the employees at the store. Now we get an email from that vendor before those employees can even remit that data over to us. So that's a huge change. The other is just being able to kind of get our hands around what a good kind of key performance indicator is for our network. Now we're able to do that. Before we weren't. And so some of the questions that we had, we didn't even know what the right questions to be asking were. Now we know what those questions are, and because we have this scalable platform, we're very easily able to identify those and come up with solutions for them. If someone were to look to me as just kind of a testimonial for RAM Communications, would obviously, without a doubt, recommend them to them. One of the main reasons is obviously RAM is, they understand the business side of things. They're going to be your IT consultants, but they're going to understand that business perspective in terms of what's really important to everyone. The second being they have a large network of companies that they've worked with, and if you're trying to integrate, let's just say an MPLS solution into your network, they're going to know if there's issues with phones, who the right phone resource is to handle it. If there's issues with the hardware, they're going to know where to go for that. And having that experience and having dealt with multiple different companies, frankly, just in different situations, they're able to give a very holistic approach to how everything should end up flowing and working together.